Welcome to Watch It. Today we're talking about the for loop. Now the for keyword loops over all items in any list or string specified to the in keyword. Unlike other languages like C or Java, the for loop does not allow a step size and an end to be specified. However, we can use the range function to iterate over a sequence of numbers by specifying a numeric end value within its parentheses. So this will generate a sequence that starts at 0 and continues up to, but not including the specified end value. So for example, if we look right here, we have range 5. That's going to generate 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, optionally, you can specify a start value and an end value within the parentheses. So here we have range 1 through 5. So then it would generate 1, 2, 3, 4. You can also specify a start value, an end value, and a step or increment value to the range. So if you were to do that, you would have range 1, 14, so it's going to go through 1 to 14, not including 14, and then every 4 numbers. So that would generate 1, 5, 9, 13. The syntax looks something like this. We have for each item in list name, and then the statements to be executed. If we look at that in our Python code, I'm going to open this right here. So you would say for Z, you would give it a name, in range, and you would tell it the range that it would need to go. And here we're going to print out the Z. For X, in range, and we're telling it to again, print hello world, and then this time we're also going to print out the number that is in the for. Num equal to, we have for Y in range num. So what that does is whatever the value in num is, that's the range that it's going to go through. So we're going to say print using a variable, and then there's the variable. All right, so we're going to click run. And here is our runs. We have in the first one for Z in range 2, so it prints out 0, 1. Then we have for X in range 2, print hello world. So it's going to print hello world 0 and then 1. And then we have num equal to for Y in range num, print using a variable, prints it out twice. Now, to look at how the step range works, we're going to open our for loop, and we're going to put one in that says for U in range, and we'll just do it twice. Or no, I'm sorry, we're using the other looping. So range, we're going to start at 0, we're going to go through 10, and we're going to step through every second 1. So now we're going to print, and we're just going to print U, run this again, and there we go. So now it's going to print 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. You are going to answer your check for understanding. If you have any questions, please just email me, and when you're done, move on to the next section.